Hello, today we are going to change the clamp on your scooter. That is the support for your exhaust. And in this video I'm going to show you how. Okay everybody, today we are going to change the clamp that is supporting the exhaust on your scooter. This exhaust right here will last you about 10,000, 15,000 miles if you're lucky, okay? What you have to do, sometimes you have to put a little, clamp to hold these parts right here, to hold the bottom part. It's not really a good quality, this exhaust on these scooters. So you kind of have to help them out a little bit to last a little longer. You can paint them black like I did with heat-resistant paint, so they will last a little longer, okay? Now, but sometimes there is this clamp right here, the support that they break down. So that's the one right here, okay? They break down, why? Because sometimes you find some hole on the street, and really a big hole can break one of these ones, because your scooter will get like a sharp bang on the rear side of your scooter, and one of these one break. Now usually where they break right here on this part right here. They break like a cut. Now there is another reason why they can break. If you tie too much the bolt right here at the exhaust, that's how they can break too. Now this one is really cheap. You can find online for about $15, for repair, or about $10, $15 online, okay? So if you break one, make sure you change it right away, because if the other one will break right after, okay? Because this one, the second one will take the weight of the scooter, will take the support of the exhaust with the scooter. So if you break one, change it right away, or order two of these ones, so you will not have to order one more right away, because if the second one breaks, you're in trouble. My suggestion is to do not ride the scooter if you only have one support clamp on your exhaust, okay? So to change this one are very easy. It's very easy thing to do. You just need a socket that is a 14 millimeter little wrench right here. You just unscrew the bolt that is underneath, okay? And you just unscrew the one underneath. Just screw this bolt on the right side or the left side, depends which one is broken. If this clamp is broken, you screw the right, and you screw the left if this one on the left is broken, okay? So now just screw it a little bit, and then you can screw it by hand. This one, just remove this one right here, okay? See, that's the place where they break all the time, right here, okay? Because with a shock coming down on this exhaust from a hole on the street, this one can break because they're taking the support and they break right here. The other reason is because you squeeze it too much, the screw, the bolt right here, and then at the point it will break, okay? So to place the new one, if you want to change the one in the back right here, you can come from the back and put it. Do not stretch this clamp all the way, okay? So just go from the back and you can put it right here, the first one. If you want to change the one on the right one, just put this one in the back on the right side, and you go inside from there, okay? Slightly enlarge, but do not enlarge too much the clamp, okay? Slightly enlarge the clamp, but not too much, okay? Now when you're here, I want you to slightly unscrew this one on the left side too, so you have a little more room to play, okay? As much as you can, you have to remove or lose the one in the back so you can raise this one at the regular height where it's supposed to go. So after you place the first one, you can place the other one, you know, and make sure you have the rubber around your exhaust, okay? This one is like for the shock, you know, so you can use that one. Make sure you don't tight yet the right side bracket, okay, the right side clamp right here. If you tight it, you're going to have a problem, okay? Because you cannot put the back one, you have to align the back one. Now when they both are aligned, at that point you can tighten your screws, okay? What you do, you tight a little bit the left and then you tight a little bit the right one. Don't tight all the way one or the other one, because if you tight really tight one side and not the other one, the bracket might break, okay? We're talking about stuff, products, they are not really good. So you have to be extra careful with these products, okay? This product will work if you are really careful, okay? Now, make sure you tie this bolt right here, but not too tight. Do not over tighten, because happened before that you can break the clamp, like the bracket right here. It can break because you tied it too much, or the bolt can break. Okay, so it's one way or the other one. So be gentle, be nice with the scooter. A lot of things can break. Okay. Now, if you don't tighten enough, they will break, because the vibration will break your clamp, okay? If you don't tighten it too much. If you tighten it too much, they will break because you tied it too much. So you never win, okay? Okay. Now make sure you use your eyes. Your eyes are your best asset, okay? Don't forget. Look if everything looks good. Look if everything doesn't look crooked. It looks. Make sure you look around when you're down here, that your clamp are in the right direction, okay? They should not stay like that. They should not stay like that. They should stay straight, okay? Because if something happen when you're driving and like lots of vibration, maybe a hole on the street, a big shock in the back is gonna happen, your clamp is going to break, okay? So make sure you do everything right. Make sure you look around. Use your eyes, okay? Okay, everybody, we just finished to change the exhaust clamp support at your GY6 scooter, okay? Make sure when you're done that everything looks good, okay? The clamps, both clamps should be straight, not on the side, not on the left. If not, they will make some force to the motor and they will break very soon, okay? So I'd like to thank you very much for watching my video. Feel free to visit my channel anytime and subscribe. Thank you.